Mice and rats run the moment they get close to this. My home is rodent-free, and you don't need to buy any store-bought traps. Grab a whole head of garlic. It has a strong smell that lingers for a long time and works as a natural repellent. Next, take regular wooden toothpicks you probably already have at home. Start sticking them into the garlic one by one. Use a lot of them. The best way is to push toothpicks into each clove from every side. It's a completely natural solution that won't harm plants, pets, or the soil. Wait a few minutes, but that's not all. You can make it even stronger. Take a bowl and pour in about 7 fluid ounces of water. Add 1 tablespoon of cinnamon because it has a sharp, irritating scent that works as an extra deterrent. Mix everything well until it's combined. Now just pour this over the garlic. The liquid spreads the smell around the garlic and the area nearby, making it work even better. Cinnamon and garlic together create an intense scent barrier that mice and rats can't stand. Place these garlic spikes near entry points, in the basement, along the walls, in the garage, or anywhere you've seen rodent activity. They'll smell it and avoid those areas completely. With this, they stop coming back, and now you know how to drive rodents out of your home quickly and naturally. Rats and mice disappear within a minute. You don't have to buy harmful traps. This method will protect your home from unwanted rodents. The first thing you need is a plastic bowl. Pour 3 tablespoons of flour into the bowl. Then add 2 tablespoons of powdered yeast. Finally, add 1 tablespoon of grated cheese. Mix all the ingredients thoroughly. Place the bowl outside your home or by the front door. You can also sprinkle the mixture at entry points to your home. The cheese aroma will attract mice, but when they start consuming the mixture, the remaining ingredients will ferment in their stomachs. They won't be able to digest the yeast and flour, so they won't survive this mixture. I guarantee that this natural trap will work perfectly. With this simple solution, you can quickly and effectively get rid of rodents without the need for chemicals. Just a few drops of this, and mice and rats disappear. These rodents can't stand it. Do you also have a problem with mice and rats? Or maybe you're terrified of them and want to prevent them from showing up. This is a natural way to get rid of them once and for all. This homemade spray effectively keeps unwanted rodents away. First, grind 1 tablespoon of cloves in a grinder so the scent becomes stronger. Transfer the ground cloves into a bowl. Pour in 1 1/4 cups of warm water and add 1 teaspoon of hot chili powder. Also add 1 teaspoon of black pepper, half a teaspoon of garlic powder, and half a teaspoon of cinnamon. Mix everything well so the ingredients blend together. Strain the mixture into another container to remove the spice residue. Now take 3/4 of a cup of the extract and dilute it with 2 cups of water to get the right consistency. Pour the ready spray into a spray bottle. Spray it in the areas where mice and rats are most likely to appear. This natural spray drives rodents away with the strong scent of spices. There are no more mice and rats in my house. Grate a candle using a grater. I'll show you a unique method you've likely never heard of. Start with a regular candle, either new or leftover. It's a great way to use scraps that might otherwise go to waste. Use the coarse side of the grater to create shavings. Paraffin has exceptional properties. It's durable, moisture-resistant, and an excellent carrier for other ingredients. Transfer the shavings to a small bowl. Add 2 tablespoons of sugar to the shavings. The aroma of sugar acts as a magnet, and its structure blends easily with other ingredients. Next, take a few walnuts, remove their shells, and finely chop them. Walnuts have a strong scent and natural oils. Add 2 tablespoons of chopped walnuts to the mixture. Thoroughly combine all the ingredients into a uniform blend. Take a sheet of aluminum foil and tear off a larger piece, then divide it into smaller rectangles. Place 1 tablespoon of the mixture onto each piece. Spread these portions near areas like balcony windows or doors. This simple homemade method helps repel rodents. This blend will keep your home free of mice and rats. Get rid of rats and mice with ordinary Chinese instant noodles. This simple homemade method costs pennies and is effective. If you have a problem with mice running into your house from the field or rats living in your basement, this trick is for you. Just 1 serving of this mixture is enough. To prepare it, you'll need Chinese instant noodles. Crush them into small pieces. Their smell and taste will attract rodents. Also, add a large amount of sugar. It also attracts pests. It will be a trap because the next ingredient is baking soda. Add a generous amount. If it is eaten by rats, they will never appear in your basement again. Mix all the ingredients thoroughly. Place the prepared bowl in the basement corridor. It will effectively attract rodents to it. The soda in their stomachs will start producing gases that they won't be able to expel. This way, you can get rid of the entire group. You've never used cotton pads like this before. They'll make your problem disappear. Grab a medium-sized plastic plate and cover it with cotton pads. These pads absorb liquids. By using this simple solution, you'll avoid harsh chemicals and keep your space pest-free. Next, pour vinegar over them, a natural repellent. Add oil to each pad. Olive oil or essential oil works too. This enhances the vinegar's effect. Sprinkle a pinch of red pepper on each pad and don't forget ground black pepper, a product rodents avoid. This mix has a strong scent that repels pests. You can also place them near windows and doors to create a barrier that mice won't want to cross. Place these traps in areas prone to rodents, like basements or garages. Replace every few days to keep them effective. This method is safe, non-toxic, and easy to prepare with common household items. Rats and mice will avoid your home. You don't need to buy harmful traps. This method will protect your house from unwanted rodents. Grab a lemon, specifically its peel. Its strong aroma makes it perfect for this trick. Cut it into small cubes and place them in a glass container, like a jar. Next, take about 3 cloves of garlic, peel them and chop them finely. Add the chopped garlic to the jar with the lemon. Mice also dislike the smell of coffee, so add a tablespoon of ground coffee to the jar. Another key ingredient is a handful of cloves, known for their strong scent that repels mice and some insects. Pour vinegar over all the ingredients. Let the mixture sit for 48 hours, allowing everything to intensify its effects. After that, strain the mixture and pour the liquid into a spray bottle. Now, simply spray around the entrance of your home. This is the best natural repellent that will surely keep mice away from your property.